Hi, I'm here today at Horizon School with Year 5 on their Wellbeing Week and Mindfulness workshops. And I took Year 5 yesterday and they've come back to give me their feedback on our Mindful program for the schools. So thank you for sharing your time with me. So how did you find the Mindful Garden yesterday? How was it for you?
I felt like when I was building my mindful garden, I just went there this morning, and it just makes me feel like I can just throw away all my emotions and just feel free from all of the different thoughts that I have and worries, and I can just feel free, I guess.
Sorry, go on.
And I also think that when I enter, before I've entered the magical garden, then I feel okay, but when I enter it, I feel like more relaxed and more cool and free. And
Okay, that's lovely. That's a great explanation. So the garden really stuck in your imagination, correct? That's lovely. And for yourself, darling?
I liked it because it made me imagine many things, and it made me create my own world and my own image. And I didn't need to worry about anything because when I'm in my magical garden, no one knows when I'm there or not.
So it's like your own personal space,
Yes.
that it's just for you and you can decide who comes in, right?
Yeah.
That's lovely. How is it for you girls? How is it for you, darling?
it felt, before I build my magical garden, I felt calm, but not as calm afterwards.
You mean you felt calmer
yeah.
afterwards? Okay.
And because since you've been alone for a while, you've thrown away all your emotions and thoughts, and
So you've thrown away all your negative thoughts. You needed that time to be with yourself. Did your garden, did it stick in your mind, do you feel?
Yeah.
It did really stick in your mind. And for you, darling?
So I liked it because you get to create your own magical garden and choose who is in your magical garden, and it really helps me, and I'm sure all other children who've read the book feel calm and happy. So, for example, if you're really sad, and then you can just go in there in your imagination and then let all your emotions out, and then be more happy.
Yeah, well, I think that also it helps you to just identify yourself a little bit more and just to know what you need to clean off. And I think also because it's your choices, your garden, your space, no one's telling you anything. It's exactly how you'd like it to be and what you'd like it to be like. So it's like your emotions. So you have a choice every day how you act, what you choose, what you don't choose. So that's what the Mindful Garden is all about, is what the choices that you make to identify what you'd like. So it's all about being in yourself, within yourself. But you did great yesterday. You had lovely imaginations, and I'm so happy that you love the garden and it's staying in your imagination, and it made a difference, because that's why we do our work. We really would like to make a difference to children in the school life. But thank you so much for sharing your time, and your feedback's been amazing. Thank you very much.